Welcome back to Expat Rebel. This is Expat Rebel Chris here in this big, huge warehouse of marble and granite slabs. And we picked out this one to go with our kitchen that we're just starting to do the rehab for. And we're really looking forward to seeing this in some renders that our kitchen designer is doing.
And that was the process that we used to buy our kitchen counters here in Merida, Mexico. They actually come from Brazil. We just found that out, but we picked it because it looks like the Gulf of Mexico to us and our beach house wanted that design element added to a beachy kitchen. So it was a friend to go through to finally pick the two panels. Our kitchen design requires that we need get two of these. And so we got two. And we're looking forward to getting those installed. The kitchen is still in design mode, almost done. And this place is gonna store our granite picked up. We have to have someone pick it up, carve them into the right shapes, and install it in our kitchen. Kitchen designer just does the wood part, and we have another person that's going to do this part. So looking forward to that process. I'm going to be sharing that with you all, and what you can do here in Mexico when you have a home and a fun place to retire. And you can get some custom work like this and other stuff that I've shown on our house done here for a very affordable price. And it's actually a lot of fun to get some nice high-end type of style to your home for a price. Make sure you like the video, you leave a comment if you have any questions about, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any more of these videos on how we're going to do this kitchen redesign. It's actually a kitchen really from scratch because we had the kitchen ripped out. And so there is no kitchen. We have two kitchens in the house. One, of course, we're using. This one, which is on the living room level, is not even there right now, and so it's going to be created from scratch. This is our countertops. So looking forward to that. See you guys in the next video. Till next time, bye. Thank you for watching my video. Please hit subscribe to the channel. Would love that. Leave a comment if you got any questions or comments about this video. And hey, make sure you hit that bell notification so you get notified when I come out with new videos. And hey, why not join the expat newsletter? An email comes out every week over at expatrebel.com. You'll learn about becoming an expat, being an expat, and even traveling the world. Yeah, go over to expatrebel.com to sign up for that, and see you guys next time. Bye.